Bro, we gaan staan. Bro, zorg op en we gaan staan. Wat dan op, bro? Stuck in the street and boy, fully sick the odor. I'm trying to get it started, but the fuck I want on over. I've had the engine fixed on my local Mr. Motor. Did a bad job. Fuck me over, bro.
Let's get out of here.
Cause my cabin's getting colder.
Let's get out of here.
Gotta meet the boys and wash up.
Let's get out of here.
Need to pick up this Baruda.
Let's get out of here.
Straight fucking out of here, bro.
Yeah, it's Friday. Let's hit the highway. Let's go. Hey, let's fucking go. Hey, we'll take our mom's car. We'll burn her over. Let's go. Hey, she wouldn't know. Hey, there is no way she could ever fucking know. No.
Oh my god, one star. God, one star. Oh my god, one star. God, one star.
Hey, drives me crazy.
Oh my god, one star.
Hey, drives me crazy.
Sitting at the lights when this wobble rolls on over. He's giving you the look like he's got something to show ya. He bought his car from Menon where the prices are much lower. But little does he know I've got a DJ at the over.
Let's get out of here.
Cause my cabin's getting colder.
Let's get out of here.
Gotta meet the boys and wash up.
Let's get out of here.
Need to pick up this Baruda.
Let's get out of here.
Straight fucking out of here, bro.
Yeah, it's Friday. Let's hit the highway. Let's go. Hey, let's fucking go. Hey, we'll take our mom's car. We'll burn her over. Let's go. Hey, she wouldn't know. Hey, there is no way she could ever fucking know.
Oh my god, one star. God, one star. Oh my god, one star.